Welcome back. This is day 7 of 30. I'm doing my 30-day challenge, and I'm going to hold the microphone because I don't actually have a collar today. And I've done this before where I put it just, on the collar that I have, and it gets all weird and funny, which reminds me I haven't actually gone back and listened to the video of any of these videos that I've made yet, so I'm not sure how any of them are coming across. I really need to probably do that today, go back through and see what they're doing. But today's video, I wanted to talk about 3D printing. And I wanted to talk about it because it's something that I always felt like I should have interest in. I should be decent at. And because, I'm big into tech stuff. I love a lot of the different, I've done, computers and stuff my whole life. So that's part of the reason why I'm doing a lot of this is, just another aspect of the whole computer sphere and everything. So I thought I would do well with 3D printing, and so I bought a 3D printer a long time ago, and I did not do well with it. I did not do well, and I ended up giving that one away to someone who was much better at being able to take care of it and fix it up and do all the things. And then a few years later, I was like, well, maybe I'm a little more competent. Maybe I'm a little bit better. Maybe I can figure this out a little bit better and try again. The guy who ended up taking it said he had to replace all these different parts, all these different pieces to it. And it was just like, yeah, no, that's why I didn't do it. It was too much. Now, to be clear, 3D printing is not something you do to save money on anything. It's something you do because it's a fun hobby. I end up spending more on misprints and retries and calibration and all this other kind of stuff than I do than I would possibly save at all. Not even close. I spend a lot of money on plastic and that kind of thing. But I got a new printer maybe a year or so ago, and I had maybe a month or two of things going actually pretty solid. In fact, I have some examples over here that would be really interesting if I could find a way to deal with this microphone. Well, we're just going to do this here and show off a lot of things I want to show off around here. But see, like this came out okay. I mean, okay, not great, but okay. It was actually really small. That is way too small for my head. There's no way. I know. I'm doing terrible with the camera angles and everything right now. And the microphone, I'm sure. I did not come prepared for this at all. See, this came out pretty solid, right? Look at that. It's all articulated and everything. Looks nice. So yeah, I had a little bit of time where I was doing really good. I have an axe in the other room I'll show in just a moment. And then I'd say about last October, when I'm making this video, it's May 2026. October of 2025, I started having problems. And the prints were not coming out right. And I've been working off and on. I mean, not consistently, not dedicatedly. Off and on, I've been working on trying to get it to work since then. And we're going to go and see how this latest print came off. Last night, I was going to make this video even before I started having any kind of success, just to show how terrible I am at this kind of thing. But last night, right before I was able to make this video, I was working on it, and I think I actually started having some success. So let's see what we have going on here. Nice little shift right at the very end there. The whole thing just shifted. Why? No idea. That could be from any number of things, but that was 10 hours of work right there. All gone. All completely wasted. And that's exactly what I mean. You spend more time just wasting plastic than you do actually getting things off the bed. So that's how my prints go. I had another one. Where did it go? Oh, yeah. This thing. I'll share it another time. It'll come in some of my costume videos I'm going to be doing in the near future. Yeah, you can see some of the costume stuff that I have going on in the background. Anyway, yeah, that's my 3D print fun, and that's what I end up working with, because this thing it's a science, but it's one that I could never get right, and I clearly still am not getting it right. So I'd say if you want to see more of the prints coming off in the future, hey, let me know. But you have to have viewers, you have to have someone watching to have someone let you know what's going on. So until that happens, I'm just going to keep making videos of whatever's coming up and whatever happens. And today we get to see failure. Love to see it. Love to see it.